What if we could control lightning? Imagine harnessing a storm's energy to power entire cities with just a single strike. Picture futuristic skylines glowing with electric brilliance, where every flash fuels innovation and progresses. But then, think about the darker side. What if that power became a weapon? Nations clashing, cities in chaos, all for control of the skies. If we could command thunder, would we use it to create a brighter future or to dominate and destroy? It's a thrilling thought, but remember, power always comes with a price.